What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay with another friendly reminder. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are doing great, achieving your goals and manifesting your dreams. Today, we're going to go over the importance of self reflection and introspection in manifesting your goals. So, if you guys want to read this article, it is posted on my blog. This is one that I just uploaded a couple of days, yesterday. Actually, I think, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think it was yesterday. But the importance of self-reflection and introspection in manifesting your goals. So self-reflection and introspection are crucial for achieving personal and professional goals. These practices allow us to gain a deeper understanding of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By understanding ourselves, we can identify the barriers that prevent us from reaching our goals and making positive changes that align us with our aspirations. Self-reflection involves taking the time to think about our experiences and evaluate our thoughts and behaviors. This process allows us to identify patterns in our thinking and behavior that may be holding us back from achieving our goals. For example, we may have the habit of procrastination or self-doubt that may prevent us from taking the necessary steps to achieve our goals. Once we recognize these patterns, we can work on changing them and replacing them with more positive and productive behaviors. So introspection involves looking inward and exploring our deepest beliefs, values, and motivations. This process allows us to gain a greater understanding of ourselves and our aspirations. By understanding our core values and motivations, we can align our goals with our innermost desires and create a more meaningful and fulfilling life. When we combine the two, self-reflection and introspection, we can develop clear and comprehensive understanding of ourselves and our goals. This understanding enables us to develop a roadmap for achieving our aspirations. By setting realistic and achievable goals, we can break down larger goals into more manageable steps and develop a plan for achieving them. Self-reflection and introspection can also help us stay motivated and focused on our goals. When we understand our motivations and values, we can tap into our inner drive to stay committed to our goals. We can also identify the obstacles that may come along later on down the line or along the way and develop strategies for overcoming them. And finally, we see that self-reflection and introspection allow us to cultivate a growth mindset. And that's what you need to achieve your goals. Instead of seeing failure as a setback, we can view it as an opportunity for growth and learning. We can identify areas where we need to improve and develop a plan for addressing these areas. By embracing a growth mindset, we can remain open to new experiences and opportunities that can help us achieve our goals. So, in conclusion, self-reflection and introspection are essential practices for manifesting our goals. We have to be able to go within and see what is stopping us. what is, some people may call it shadow work, or, so you have to be able to go within yourself and hold yourself accountable for the reason, whatever you're going through that you don't like, because you have the power to change it. So by understanding ourselves and aspirations, we can develop a roadmap for achieving our goals. Once you understand yourself, you can develop your own roadmap. And basically, it's like you just write it down. If you have a journal, write down everything in your journal. Stay focused, stay motivated, and cultivate a growth mindset. By incorporating these new practices in our daily lives, we can live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. A life that aligns us with our deepest values and aspirations. And if that's what you want, then self-reflection and introspection should be included when you are trying to manifest your goals. So, let me know if you guys like this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see. What would you like to discuss? And we can go from there. Make sure you guys check out every link in the description. There are links there to my digital items, links there to my graphic design website if you guys need graphic design services. And there are also links where you can shop with me, and a link to my blog. The first link, I think, is a link to my blog that basically will take you everywhere. There's links everywhere to me on my blog. So I'm also going to be uploading the behind the scenes footage, trying to get my editing and everything together. So you guys be patient. Be patient. I'm getting it together. And I also think that if you guys want to check me out over on Conversation Rules the Nation, you can check me out over there as well. We will be dropping we're going to try to drop every day. Something, maybe, I don't know if people are going to do lives or not. But, yeah, we're going to try to drop something every day with the news as far as the news is concerned. So, all right, y'all. Thanks for watching. And you guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.